Welcome to Evolution in Controls. I'm your host, Tim Wilson. Thank you for joining us. We're in Detroit, Michigan at the Automate 2025 show, and we're talking to exhibitors about the technology that they're showing at this show. We're here at the Kassow Robot booth, and I'm with Kristian Kassow, and he's here to talk to us about the collaborative robot arms that they're exhibiting. Kristian, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
The question that I'm asking all of the exhibitors is, how is automation driving the design of the solutions that you're providing? What are we looking at here?
Well, we try to expand the use of collaborative robot arms by offering a full portfolio of arms, all with 7 axes.
So 7 axes. What does 7 axes allow me to do that 6 axes doesn't?
Well, here you see on this mock-up of a CNC machine, you see that the robot arm is reaching into the machine, basically doing ordinary machine tending, while the base of the arm is still offset from the opening of the CNC machine, so you can still access it manually. And that's what the 7-axis arm can do so easily, contrary to a 6-axis arm.
It allows for a person and the collaborative robot arm to work on the machine at the same time. Fantastic. Yeah. Do you have some other examples here on the booth that we could look at?
Yes, I have plenty. We can go and look at, for instance, our Edge series.
Let's go and look at them. Well, Kristian, we're at the next spot in the booth. I've never seen this before. What are we looking at here?
Well, basically, we are looking at the Edge edition of our robot arm.
Okay. It's a 7 axes, right?
It's still 7 axes. It's an arm made for being mounted on an ATV.
What makes it designed for that?
So it has, instead of having an external controller, it has the controller integrated in the base, as you can see. Yeah. So it's a super compact controller.
Yeah.
And at the same time, it can be powered directly by the battery.
I was going to say, how is it being powered? But the battery of the AMR is providing power to the collaborative robot arm?
Exactly. So it can take the variation in voltage that are related to being powered by a battery pack.
Yeah.
And also, I mean, this is one good example, but you can also see a ceiling mount version of it there in the background.
There's one behind us?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So is there communication between these two right now, or can there be communication?
There can be. That's really up to the program.
Okay.
And I should also mention that the Edge edition is available for all our robot arms.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go look at the next spot. Thank you. Well, Kristian, I think you've saved the best for last. What are we looking at here? This looks very interesting.
This is a new product from our side. This is the sensitive arm.
Sensitive arm.
Yes, that's right. Basically, it's an arm which has torque sensors built into all 7 joints. So it allows you to, more accurately than with our normal arms, to apply a force.
So not only are you controlling the position on all 7 axes, you're actually controlling the force that is being applied.
Yes. So it's convenient for all kinds of applications where you need to apply a constant force, like polishing, as we see here. And actually, the 7 axis also makes very good sense here, because the 7 axis allows you to steer around singularity by adjusting your elbow position, and thereby you can apply a more constant force than you can with a 6-axis arm.
And you can control the angle of the vector of the force.
That's right.
That's fantastic. And it's a new product for you guys.
That's right.
Kristian, thank you so much. This has been fascinating. I appreciate the time you spent with us today.
Well,
I hope you have a good show. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more about Evolution Motion Solutions, visit us at evolutionmotion.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Evolution in Controls on whatever platform you use for podcasts, or on YouTube for a video version, so you can be notified when we release new episodes. Thank you again for joining us here at Automate 2025. Remember, keep moving.